Unlocking Resilience Thrive Through Life's Challenges. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into resilience, our ability to bounce back from life's challenges. Life throws heartbreak, loss, disappointment, and failure at all of us. How we respond makes all the difference. Do we let them break us, or do we learn and grow stronger? That's resilience. Resilience isn't innate, it's a skill we can cultivate. In this video, we'll explore what resilience means, why it's crucial, and practical steps to build it. By the end, you'll have the tools to face challenges head-on and emerge stronger. Let's dive in. The first step to building resilience is cultivating a growth mindset. This mindset is not just a fleeting thought, but a fundamental shift in how we perceive our abilities and potential. It's about shifting how we view challenges and setbacks, not as threats, but as opportunities to learn and grow. When we encounter obstacles, we can choose to see them as stepping stones rather than roadblocks. Remember learning to walk? We fell, got up and tried again. Each fall was a lesson, each attempt a step closer to success. Somewhere along the way, we started fearing failure. This fear can paralyze us, making us hesitant to take risks or try new things. A growth mindset helps us reclaim that resilience, approaching challenges with openness and possibility. It encourages us to see every difficulty as a chance to improve and evolve. It's about believing in our capacity to learn and adapt, even when things get tough. This belief fuels perseverance and determination. Start by becoming aware of your self-talk. Is it critical or encouraging? Reframe negative thoughts. Positive self-talk can transform our mindset and boost our confidence. Instead of, "I can't do this," try, "I'm learning how to do this, and it's okay to make mistakes." This simple shift in language can make a significant difference. Mistakes are data points, not failures. They provide valuable feedback and insights that guide us toward better strategies and solutions. Use them to course correct and try again. Each attempt brings us closer to mastery and success. Embrace challenges instead of avoiding them. They are the crucibles in which our skills and character are forged. They're opportunities to stretch ourselves and build resilience. Each challenge we face and overcome strengthens our resolve and capabilities. Building a growth mindset is a journey. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. Show up every day willing to learn and grow. Consistency is key, and each day presents a new opportunity to develop and refine our skills. Embrace the messy, beautiful process of becoming. Celebrate small victories and learn from setbacks, knowing that each step is part of your unique journey toward growth and resilience. We are wired for connection. From the moment we are born, we seek out the warmth and comfort of others. It's in our nature to form bonds and build relationships. When things get hard, our loved ones become our lifeline. They provide the emotional support and encouragement we need to keep going, even when the going gets tough. Think about the people you feel safe, seen, and supported by. Those are your people. They are the ones who lift you up, who celebrate your successes, and who stand by you in your darkest moments. Nurturing these relationships is crucial for well-being. It's not just about having people around, it's about having meaningful connections that enrich our lives. Connection strengthens us, making us more capable of facing challenges. When we know we have a support system, we feel more confident and resilient. Building a strong support network takes effort and intentionality. It's about being proactive in maintaining and deepening your relationships. Show up for the people in your life, be present, and be there when they need you. Your presence can make a world of difference. Allow yourself to be vulnerable and ask for help. It's okay to admit that you can't do it all on your own. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. Vulnerability is contagious. When you open up, you give others permission to do the same. When we're brave enough to be vulnerable, it encourages others to do the same. This mutual openness fosters trust and deepens our connections. This builds deep, sustaining relationships that can weather life's storms. These bonds become a source of strength and comfort. Reach out to your people. Don't wait for them to come to you. Take the initiative to connect. Tell them you love and need them. Expressing your feelings can strengthen your bond and make your relationships more meaningful. Be there for them in return. Support is a two-way street. When you give, you also receive. Connection gives our lives meaning and purpose. It's through our relationships that we find joy, fulfillment, and a sense of belonging. It's what makes us human. Remember, you're not alone. No matter what you're going through, there are people who care about you. Lean on your support network. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Together you can face any challenge. There's strength in numbers. And with your support network, you can overcome anything. Connection is a powerful tool for resilience. It helps us bounce back from adversity and emerge stronger. Cultivate and cherish your relationships. They are your lifeline. Invest time and energy into them, and they will sustain you through life's ups and downs. Let's talk about self-care. It's more than bubble baths and face masks. Self-care is about listening to our bodies, paying attention to our needs, and giving ourselves permission to rest and recharge. Life is a marathon, not a sprint. We need to pace ourselves and take care of our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Practical self-care includes getting enough sleep, eating nourishing foods, and moving our bodies regularly. These basics impact our ability to handle stress and regulate emotions. Beyond basics, self-care involves activities that bring joy and help us de-stress. Maybe it's spending time in nature, listening to music, or catching up with a friend. Make time for these activities. They matter. Self-care is essential for showing up as our best selves. Prioritize it in your daily routine. It's a key component of resilience. Focus on what you can control. In a world filled with distractions and uncertainties, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters. Life is full of uncertainty, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The constant noise and chaos can make us feel like we're drowning in a sea of unpredictability. But even in chaos, there's always something we can control. It might be as simple as organizing our space, taking a deep breath, or practicing a calming activity like yoga. Shifting focus from what we can't control to what we can is powerful. It's about redirecting our energy from the external noise to our internal peace. When we focus on the uncontrollable, we give away our power. We become victims of our circumstances, feeling frustrated and defeated. Focusing on what we can control, our thoughts, feelings, and actions, empowers us. It gives us a sense of agency and purpose, allowing us to navigate life with intention. Become aware of where you're placing your attention. Are you investing your energy in things that drain you, or are you nurturing your well-being? Are you ruminating on the past or worrying about the future? These thoughts can trap us in a cycle of anxiety and stress. Focus on the present moment and what you can do right now. Engage in activities that ground you, like mindfulness, gardening, or any task that requires your full attention. When spiraling into worry, ask yourself, what can I control in this situation? This question can help you regain clarity and focus. Maybe it's your attitude, effort, or response. These are powerful tools that can transform your experience and outlook. Focus your energy on taking action in those areas. Small, deliberate steps can lead to significant changes over time. Letting go of what you can't control doesn't mean you don't care. It's about recognizing your limits and choosing to invest your energy wisely. It means focusing on what you can influence. Your actions, words, and presence can have a profound impact on those around you. Accept uncertainty and keep showing up, doing your best. Embrace the journey with resilience and determination, knowing that your efforts matter. Maintain a positive outlook. Facing challenges can bog us down in negativity. Our thoughts shape our emotions, behaviors, and reality. Cultivating a positive outlook is crucial for resilience. It's not about ignoring reality, but choosing to focus on the good, even when things are tough. Practice gratitude, focus on what you have, and surround yourself with positive people. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive ones. When a negative thought creeps in, ask, is this helpful? Is it true? Is it kind? If not, let it go. Replace it with a more positive thought. Maintaining a positive outlook isn't about being happy all the time. It's about hope and believing things will get better. Cultivate a sense of hope, even in difficulty. Believe in your ability to overcome challenges. Learn from your experiences. Resilience isn't about avoiding challenges, but learning from them. Every experience is an opportunity for growth. Reflect on what happened, your role, and what you can learn. Think about a recent challenge. What happened? How did you feel? What did you learn? Reflection helps us see patterns in our behavior and choices. Embrace failure as part of the learning process. We're going to make mistakes, but it's how we get back up that matters. Dust yourself off, learn from mistakes, and try again. Every experience holds seeds of growth and transformation. Choose to see and nurture those seeds, allow them to blossom into something beautiful. Embrace the journey of resilience. Resilience helps you navigate life's challenges with strength and grace. Show up for yourself, believe in your strength, and know you're not alone. Understand resilience, recognize its importance, and apply practical strategies to build it. Face challenges head-on, knowing you have the tools to overcome them. Resilience is a journey, not a destination. Develop and strengthen it every day. Be patient, celebrate progress, and never give up on your ability to bounce back and thrive. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.